Elon Musk says new brain chip is about to cure human blindness. Neuralink plans to test a vision-restoring brain implant in humans within 6 to 12 months, sending visual signals directly to the brain. This marks an expansion of Neuralink's brain-computer interface, which has helped people with paralysis control digital devices using their thoughts. According to Musk, rather than repairing damaged eyes, retinas, or optic nerves, the device will communicate directly with the brain's visual cortex. Musk says Neuralink hopes to begin its first vision implant procedures within the next few years. "We're going to implant the first vision devices," Musk said during a Y Combinator event. "Even if you're 100% blind from birth, we're going to write directly to your visual cortex, and you're going to see." The approach relies on electrically stimulating the visual cortex so the brain interprets artificial signals as images instead of normal eyesight. Although the concept has generated excitement, Neuralink has not yet published peer-reviewed human data, but has U.S. approval for early BCI trials. Restoring basic vision to people who have lived without it would be a historic medical victory and a step toward human enhancement. In the long run, Musk says the technology could not only replicate human sight, but outpace it with high-definition resolution and new capabilities. And that's just the beginning. In the long term, you'll have Ultra HD resolution and real superpowers. You'll see an infrared, ultraviolet, and even radar, literally like a superhero, he added. These theoretical capabilities would shift Neuralink from a purely therapeutic medical device to an augmentation platform, potentially transforming deep-sea navigation, industrial safety, and defense. However, neuroscientists warn that reaching these sci-fi milestones will require advances in hardware power efficiency, complex data processing, and neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt. Neuralink's announcement signals a shift in its long-term BCI vision, from helping people with severe paralysis control devices to expanding into sensory restoration. Musk summed up his vision for the technology with another bold prediction. The future is no longer science fiction, it's Neuralink. Despite optimism, hurdles remain before these claims move from press conferences to clinical reality, including rigorous long-term safety reviews. Neuralink says the immediate priority is safety and efficacy for first human recipients, and upcoming trials will test whether thought-driven artificial vision can bridge biology and futuristic technology.